Are you looking for the best rain shower heads? In this video we will look at some of the best rain shower heads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EMBATHER Sunrise SRSH F5043. The EMBATHER Sunrise SRSH F5043 is a top-notch shower system that comes with a stamp of quality assurance and compliance. With CUPC certification and adherence to ASME and CSA standards, this shower system is designed to seamlessly integrate with standard AHAF U.S. plumbing connections, making it a hassle-free choice for installation. Ensuring the safety of your family, the EMBATHER Sunrise full-line shower faucet sets are CUPC certified to maintain a safe water temperature, preventing any harm caused by sudden temperature changes. This commitment to safety extends to the prevention of water hammer noise, thanks to the pressure balance valves built-in check valves. The cartridge in the pressure balance valve monitors water pressure balance, providing an additional layer of protection against scalding. Number 2. Moen Velocity Chrome 2 Function Rain. The Moen Velocity Chrome 2 Function Rain is a versatile and stylish addition to any bathroom. Its chrome finish not only provides a mirror-like look but also seamlessly complements various decorating styles. The showerhead incorporates advanced Moen immersion rain shower technology, ensuring a powerful rinse that boasts 3 times more spray power than most rain showers. This results in a thorough and invigorating shower experience. Featuring a large spray head, the rain shower provides exceptional water coverage, enveloping you in a soothing cascade. The single-handle lever makes temperature control a breeze, allowing you to customize your shower experience with ease. Designed for hassle-free installation, this showerhead offers peace of mind to users. It's important to note that the shower arm is not included, providing flexibility for users to choose or match it with their existing bathroom fixtures. Number 3. hansgrohe 27474001. The hansgrohe 27474001 is a luxurious overhead shower designed to elevate your shower experience. Boasting a large showerhead with a diameter of 9.375 inches, it ensures a lavish and intense shower experience. The Rain Air Spray mode adds to the indulgence, providing a unique and soothing sensation. Not only does this showerhead excel in functionality, but it also stands out in terms of design. The overhead shower is impeccably designed, and its fully chrome-plated spray disc adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The chrome finish not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the showerhead's durability, promising a long lifetime of use. Maintenance is made effortless with the quick clean anti-calcification function. Limescale deposits are easily removed by simply rubbing the flexible silicone nozzles. This feature ensures that your showerhead stays clean and functions optimally, maintaining its performance over time. Number 4. Shower System Brushed Nickel. This shower system in brushed nickel is a comprehensive set designed to elevate your shower experience. It includes a 12-inch square rain shower head made of 304 stainless steel, a brass hand-held shower head, a 7.9-inch shower arm, a 59-inch shower hose, 304 stainless steel, a brass shower holder, and a brass shower mixer control valve. The set boasts air pressurization technology, ensuring optimal water pressure even in low-pressure installations. The 12-inch raining sprinkler combines water with air, simulating a natural rain experience. Featuring concealed installation with an American Standard NPT 1/2 connector, this system is compatible with any type of pipe. The solid brass pressure balancing shower mixer valve, inclusive of trim and rough-in valve, meets American standards for quality. The system is designed for easy operation with a single lever for effortless flow and temperature control. The 2-in-1 diverter and hot/cold control, coupled with air energy technology, deliver a consistent and powerful rain shower. The brushed nickel finish not only adds a sleek look but also ensures corrosion resistance and durability. Number 5. EMBATHER Shower System with Tub Spout. The EMBATHER shower system with tub spout is a comprehensive and high-performance bathing solution designed to elevate your shower experience. With its 3-function design, it offers versatility and convenience. The 7.86 wide bathtub faucet ensures a faster water output, efficiently filling up the tub. The 12 rainfall shower head delivers a full, body-high Pressure shower. While the handheld shower faucet with a 1.8 m longer hose provides freedom of movement during showering, allowing you to enjoy your favorite bathing style. One standout feature is the no scald, no cold shock technology, which utilizes a unique water balance mechanism. This ensures that accidental operations or variations in water pressure won't result in sudden hot or cold water outputs, providing a reassuring and safe bathing experience. The high pressure shower capability is achieved through the 12 Rain Heads air injection technology, creating a large and full body coverage water flow. This system maintains a stable high shower water pressure even in low water pressure conditions,